when he's hip, he'll take you on a trip. The paranormal Polynesian, whether spooky or fun, or a tale he has spun. The paranormal Polynesian.
Oh, hi guys, it's Adam here, and I know we're not traveling today because we're going to go to Montana in a week or so, and then we might be going to Nashville again. So today we're going to stay at home and cook. I just got back from Arizona yesterday, and I didn't film anything because I'm a horrible travel person, but I'm grieving. My cat just died. So listen, when I'm sad, I like to cook a lot. So today I'm gonna make some lasagna. I just cut my finger off. I'm just dicing up an onion terribly, and then I'm gonna put this in a pan with a pound of ground beef and a pound of Italian sausage. I haven't made lasagna in 20 years, so this might be terrible. I don't even remember how to do it, but I'm just remembering. We're gonna start that first. I'm gonna put a little olive oil. I like this stuff. It's just salt, pepper, and garlic. And we're just gonna put the meat in. So we'll just break that up. Ew. And lean hamburger. Then it's just less grease to deal with. Oh, this is fresh. You wanna cook it? I like to mix that shit in. I washed my hands. We'll let that sit for a minute. Okay, now that the meat and the onions are browning, I'm gonna dice up some mushrooms. You don't have to put mushrooms in because nobody likes mushrooms. I like mushrooms, so I'm putting them in. Just to give it a little more heft. I don't know how to chop, okay? That's why I'm not a culinary chef. Are there other kinds of chefs that aren't culinary? I don't know. Also, I don't know this recipe because it's in my mind. So this might be terrible. But this is the video this week, you guys. You have to watch it if you want to see my beautiful face. I know, I haven't been traveling. I'm sorry. It's been a hell of a year. But don't you worry, there's some big stuff coming up at the end of the year. Let's see, do you think this looks good, cameraman? Look at these knife skills. Oh my god. Oh, okay, come here. Let's put these in. Our water's boiling, so we're gonna have to multitask and put the lasagna noodles in, but we're just gonna mix this up. Oh, I think I made a lot of meat. Well, we're a hungry crowd. I also haven't seen Barney in a week, so he's flying back from JFK right now. So we're gonna just give him a nice little dinner, little homemade dinner. Just want to add a little extra, what do you call it? Basil. I don't love basil. Barney loves basil. I'll compromise and I'll just put a little in. We're gonna add a bunch of garlic. Just add that shit in there. Bottled garlic is not very strong, you guys. You can do more. Trust me. Look, I didn't get this fat by accident. Okay, how do you do this? Oh shit. Did I break them? No, you're not supposed to break them. Are you? What's it say? No, I think we just need to move these around because it just needs to be one piece. Don't trick me, child.
I don't know, I'm just saying what I thought was. But I mean,
have you seen many people cook lasagna?
yes. Homemade lasagna.
Have you?
Yes.
Really? Okay. Color me surprised. We're gonna drain this in just a minute because it's got some grease. I gotta make the filling, the ricotta filling for your lasagna. So I'm putting in, what is this? 15 ounces. That's probably, you can do 1.5 if you want. That looks gross as hell. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna put an egg in there. We're gonna cut up some parsley. Don't lose your knuckles. This is very rustic. This is a very rustic recipe. I'm gonna add more of my seasoning, my garlic pepper seasoning. I like garlic. What can I say? I don't know how much. A few tablespoons of parsley. Like that. Whoops.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna add some more of this pesto in this. This is my secret. I'm gonna put more of this basil pesto in the ricotta. My name is Giada. I'm making it up. Let's add some mozzarella. I want extra cheese. Maybe I'll add a little Parmesan. Okay, this is good. We'll let that sit. I want to see. Those are almost ready. I think you want these a little undercooked. You know what I'm saying? Probably a smart idea. Okay, we're gonna turn this down. I'm gonna add a can of tomato paste to this meat, just for a deeper flavor than just marinara. Oh shit. And then we're gonna add, I would do at least 1.5 normal bottles of marinara sauce, or I have a family size one that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna eyeball it. I'm just gonna gradually add. Of course, make your own pasta sauce if you're Giada De Laurentiis, okay? But I'm not. I'm Adam from Utah, and I don't have the time for that shit. How does that look?
It's fine to me.
So delicious. Mmm. It's delicious. It needs sugar. I don't have any sugar in my house, so I have to use the Splenda brown sugar. I'm just gonna put a little, just a tablespoon.
You can use brown sugar.
This isn't real sugar. I'm on a diet, supposedly, but it's not working. And yes, I know, people say it's not real if you put sugar in it, but you know, this bottle's from Walmart, so nothing in this shit is real. It's very salty, and I need to cut that salt and that acidity. If I made my own sauce, well then that would be different. Okay, it's time to assemble this shit. You ready? First of all, I added the whole big bottle, so what is this? This is 45 ounces. It's like a Slurpee. And the way you do your lasagna is start with meat sauce. Let's put a little on here. Is that enough? Let's see. That's probably too much. This is very chunky. I should have squished it down more. Here are my noodles. I put them through cold water to stop them from cooking. And you just put noodles like this. Now, we're gonna put our ricotta mixture. I think you just do little dollops like this. Now we're gonna put some mozzarella cheese. Just a lot. Let's get a lot on there. I wanna get rid of this shit because then I won't eat it later. Then we do some more sauce. Ooh, ooh. We should talk about Winnie since this is my bereavement lasagna. What should we tell them about Winnie? She was my favorite cat. She was the funniest cat. She had the biggest resting bitch face I'd ever seen. She learned that from me. And she hated having her photo taken. That's why you guys don't know a lot about her, because if she saw my camera come out, she'd be like, no bitch, not
Really?
today.
Yeah.
She hated it. But I'm just gonna show some photos of her. Oh, she's so cute. But yes, we got her ashes back today. I'm very sad.
She's Winnie.
Oh.
It's Winnie. She got that. Yeah, Winnie, we'll put you up there on this.
Okay, there you are, right next to my mom. Because she hated you, but she loved you secretly. So this makes me laugh a little bit. You gotta laugh a little bit. Right? I love you, Winnie. I feel like this needs another noodle. There. I'm very sad today, but this lasagna better taste good so it wipes away my grief, you know? Just gonna have some leftovers. I mean, it better. You know? Don't go crazy. Misty, you can't go outside. You're a very naughty cat. I do have these other cats, but no one will compare to Winnie. She was the best little kitten. So as you can see, I'm throwing cheese all over the house. And we're putting another layer. I think we've got room for one more. Shoot, I made a lot. And man, there's a lot of noodles left. I think that was meant for 2 lasagnas. I'm just gonna put extra noodles on top for a special little crust. You guys, I don't know how to make shit. Oh no! There we go. Cute. Oh, there's a little... Okay. Now let's just top it off with the rest of this ricotta. Giada. Okay, cameraman had to be fired, so it's me now. I've put on a last layer of cheese, and then I sprinkled some Parmesan on top. We're gonna use the rest of that parsley that we cut up, put it on top, and this is gonna go in the oven at 375 for an hour, covered for half an hour, and then uncovered for the other half. And we'll be back. Okay, it's time to check on the lasagna. Ooh. Oh my god, it's heavy. Ah! Oh no, I turned the gas and I'm gonna blow the house up. Help! Get off! Wow. Look at that. Oh, I hope I didn't burn it. It looks good to me. We're gonna need to let that sit for a few minutes. Okay, children, the lasagna's done. It came out, it's been sitting for a few minutes. I baked up these garlic knots from scratch. Just kidding, they were in a bag. I'm bereaved on a budget. Let's take a little close up in here.
Bereaved on a budget.
I'm bereaved on a budget.
What are we
We're-
bereaved about?
This is my bereavement lasagna. Because I got Winnie back today, so I'm grieving.
Nice.
I'm gonna do like a big ass piece. Okay, which one should we do? This one?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, let's see how it looks. I'm scared. Oh no! Okay, that's not how it should have looked at all, but okay. Let's try this again. Oh no! That looks so stupid. I mean, it's lasagna, you know. Okay, we're gonna try it. You ready? We're gonna test this. So cheesy. Mmm. This is good lasagna. You can taste the pork, the little brown sugar. The noodles are cooked perfectly because I'm a professional. This is a good one. We'll keep this on our list, cameraman, camera lady. Oh, this is good. That's your bereavement lasagna for today. I hope you enjoyed, because I did. I'm gonna enjoy this. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed that delicious lasagna. It's actually really, really good. It just looks terrible, so I hope yours sits longer and it looks better when you pull it apart, okay? Thanks for coming along with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little recipe. And if you like travel videos, food, and fun stuff, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, okay? I'll see you next time. Until then, keep it paranormal.
Adam's cool and he's hip. He'll take you on a trip, the paranormal Polynesian. Whether spooky or fun, or a tale he has spun, the paranormal Polynesian.
Neon lights or abandoned sites, we'll find our way all around the world. Adam likes to twirl,
Come what may.
What may
and when the fun is through, here's what you can do.
say one more episode.
He has hundreds. Travel fun for everyone, travel fun for everyone. The Paranormal Polynesian. Adam's cool and he's hip, taking you on a trip. The Paranormal Polynesian.
Oh no, where you're right.
This movie or fun or a tale he has fun.